Hi, I'm Mark Mancini with VRBO Outstanding and Vacation Home Mastery. This week, for your Cybertruck, we're going to talk about and install roof racks that are available right now, so stay tuned. And welcome back. Now, some of you may be contractors, you may be homeowners with maybe some rental property like we have, and you need a work truck and be able to bring ladders that just simply don't fit in the back bed of your truck. Your bed's about 6 feet or so, 5 or 6 feet. So if you have an 8 to 10 foot ladder, it's gonna get hard to, you don't want that necessarily sticking out. So that's where these roof racks come in handy. They could also hold other things as well. And so here we are, we're done. All 4 of the rails are in place. I grabbed my 10-foot ladder. As you can see, from the top to here, it holds it up. If I were to put this in the bed, you'd have 5 feet sticking out. It really wouldn't be safe, because even when you ratchet tie it down, it's gonna be too top heavy. So the good thing about this, it's on here real nice. Now some people will use those bungee straps to hold it down. I'm not as big of a fan of the bungee straps. In a previous video, I'll have the link for it below, I like these ratchet straps, because when you ratchet strap them in there, you go real nice and tight, and it's gonna hold it snug. So you just wrap it around. You really just use one, go around the top one, go around the next one, go around the next one, bring it to the bottom one, ratchet tie it in. As you can see, this is holding it on here without any problem. In fact, I'm putting my weight on it. I'm 200 pounds, and not a problem at all. It looks aesthetically pleasing, and the good thing is, you wanna keep those tools with you in your glove box, because if you need to access the bed of the truck, maybe you've got a dump load or sheetrock or something, you can just easily take just the silver covers off of here, and then the 2 screws that are on there, just like that, and take them off each side. And once you take this rail off, you have full access to the bed, and then you can just go ahead and leave the top 2 on there at all times, but at least you still have access to the bed if you ever need to. Like I said, you're gonna have 2 sets of tools. Keep one set in your truck, leave the other one at home. Now I can go ahead and take my 10-foot ladder, go to a property, jump on the roof, fix whatever I have to fix. I would appreciate you coming by this week. Remember, we survive on your likes and subscribe. So down below, comment, like, subscribe. Be prepared for our next videos. Got some really cool other items coming for your Cybertruck, so stay tuned.